शुक्लां भरधरं विष्णुं शशिवर्णं चतुर्भुजं प्रसन्नवदनं ध्यायेत् शान्तये। ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करभावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। अगजानन पद्मार्कं गजाननमहर्निशम् अनेकदन्तं भक्तानाम् एकदन्तमुपास्महे। श्रीमहागणपतये नमः। गुरवे सर्वलोकानां विषजे भवरोगिणां निधये सर्वविद्यानां श्रीदक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। अस्मद्गुरुचरणारविन्दाभ्यां नमः। वसुदेवसुतं देवं कंसचाणूरमर्दनं देवकी परमानन्दं कृष्णं वन्दे जगद्गुरुं। ज्ञानानन्दमयं देवं निर्मलस्फटिकाकृतिम् आधारं सर्वविद्यानां श्रीहयग्रीवमुपास्महे। श्रीहयग्रीवमूर्तये नमः। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारंभं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। श्रीमहासरस्वत्यै नमः। उमाकोमलहस्ताब्ज सम्भावितललाटकं हिरण्यकुण्डलं वन्दे कुमारं पुष्करस्रजं। वेट्रिवेल् मुरुगनुक्कु हर हरो हरा। लोकवीर्यं महापूज्यं सर्वरक्षाकरं विभुं पार्वती हृदयानन्दं शास्तारं प्रणमाम्यहं। स्वामिये शरणमय्यप्पा। वागर्ताविव सम्पृक्तौ वागर्तप्रतिपत्तये जगदपितरौ वन्दे पार्वती परमेश्वरौ। श्रीपार्वती परमेश्वराभ्यां नमः। कोमलं पूजयन् वेणुं श्यामलोऽयं कुमारकः वेदवेद्यं परं ब्रह्म तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। अस्मद्गुरुचरणारविन्दाभ्यां नमः। श्रीकृष्ण गोविन्द हरे मुरारे श्रीनाथ नारायण वासुदेव। श्रीकृष्ण गोविन्द हरे मुरारे श्रीनाथ नारायण वासुदेव। श्रीकृष्ण गोविन्द हरे मुरारे श्रीनाथ नारायण वासुदेव। पीताम्बरं करविराजितचक्रशङ्खकौमोदकी सरसिजं करुणासमुद्रं राधासहायम् अतिसुन्दरमन्दहासं वातालयेशम् अनिशं हृदि भावयामि। कृष्णो रक्षतु मां चराचर गुरुः कृष्णं नमस्ये सदा। कृष्णेनैव सुरक्षितो मससकृद कृष्णाय दत्तं मनः। कृष्णादेव समुद्भवो मम विभो कृष्णस्य दासोऽस्म्यहं। कृष्णे भक्तिरचञ्चलास्तु भगवन् हे कृष्ण तुभ्यं नमः। श्रीगुरुवायुरप्पा शरणं नम्राणां सन्निधत्ते सततमपि पुरस्तैरनभ्यर्थितानपि अर्थान् कामानजस्रं वितरति परमानन्दसान्द्रां गतिं च। इत्थं निःशेषनभ्यो निरवधिकफलः पारिजातो हरे त्वं क्षुद्रं तं शक्रवाटी ध्रुवमभिलषति व्यर्थमर्तिव्रजोऽयम्। श्रीगुरुवायुरप्पा शरणं श्रीभट्टपादम् अनिशं हृदि भावयामि। वंशीविभूषितकरात् नवनीरधाभात् पीताम्बरात् अरुणबिम्बफलाधरोष्टात् पूर्णेन्दुसुन्दरमुखात् अरविन्दनेत्रात् कृष्णात् परं किमपि तत्त्वमहं न जाने। കൈരണ്ടും കൂപ്പി ഞാൻ വീണ്ടുമീറക്കുന്നു നീരജലോചന നിന്നോടായി. ഏതീനോ മഞ്ഞനെ കുമ്പിടേണ്ടതോരോ രീതിയിൽ നീ എന്നെ പാലിക്കന്നായി. കൃഷ്ണ ഹരേ ജയ കൃഷ്ണ ഹരേ ജയ Krishna Hare Jaya Krishna Hare. Okay, so Nikki, what we'll do is we'll just rehearse chapter 100 and then we'll start with the Narayana Kavacham. I think we should be able to finish that off today. So Janaki, Priya, can you both do the 100 today?
Yep.
And then we'll have Sujata and Shobha, you can do the Narayana Kavacham. Okay.
I'm going first?
Yeah, you can go. Yeah,
okay. Agre pashyami teja nipitatarakala yavali lopaniyam.
Janaki, sorry. Agre pashyami tejo.
Oh. Agre pashyami tejo nipitatarakala yavali lopaniyam. Piyusha Blavidoham tatanu tadutare divya kaishoravesham tarunyarambharamyam paramasukarasa swata romanjitankaihi avitam naradatyaihi vilasat upanishad sundari mandalaischa nilabam kunjitakram kanam amalataram samyatam charupangya ratnotam tamsabiramam valaitamudaya chandrakai pinchajalaihi mandara strangnivitam tava prudukabari bharamaloka eham snikta shvetortva Pundram abhichasulalitam bala balentu vitim hridyam purnanukam parnava mrudulahari sanchala pruvilasaihi anila snikta pakshma vali parilasitam netrayukmam vibote Trachayam Vishalaruna Kamalatala Karamamukhtadaram Karunya Lokalila Shishirita Bhuvanam Shipyadam Ayyanate Uttungo Lasinasam Harimani Mukura Prolasat Kantabali Vyalolat Karnabashanjitamakramani Kundalat Tvantvatipram Unnilantantapangtik Puratarunatara Chaya Bimba Taranta Priti Prasyantimanta Smitamaturadaram Vaktram Utpasatame Bahu Tvantvena Ratnojvala Valaya Pruta Shonabani Pravale Nupatam Venunalim Prasrudanagamayuk Anguli Shankasharam Krutva Vaktraravinte Sumatura Vikasat Ragamutpavyamanehi Shapta Brahmam Rudaistvam Shishirada Bhuvanaihi Sincha Me Karnavitim Utsarpa Kaustubha Shri Tatibirarunitam Komalam Kandadesham Vaksha Srivatsaramyam Taraladara Samuti Prahara Pradhanam Nana Varna Prasunavali Kisalaninim Vanyamalam Vilolallolambam Lambamanam Urasitavatada Bhavaye Ratnamalam.
Can you say the last two lines again? I think one the Kisalayinim was not clear and it's Vanyamalam. So just repeat the third and fourth line, please.
Okay, I missed the page. Okay, yeah. Nana Varna Prasunavali Kisalayinim Vanyamalam Vilolallolambam Lambamana Murasitavatada Bhavaye Ratnamalam. Is it correct?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you. Ange Panjangaragaihi Adishaya Vikasat Saurabha Kristalokam Leena Nekatriloki Vidatimapi Krisham Vipratam Madhyavallim Shakrash Manyasta तप्तोज्ज्वलकनकनिपं पीतशैलं तदानं ध्यायामो दीप्तरश्मि स्फुटमणिरशना किङ्गिनी मण्डितं त्वाम् ऊरु चारु तवोरु कनमसृणरुचौ सिद्धचोरौ रमायाः विश्वक्षोभं विशङ्क्य ध्रुवम् अनिशमुभौ पीतचेलावृताङ्गौ आनम्रानं पुरस्ताद् न्यसनधृतसमत्तार्थपाली समुद्गच्छायं जानुद्वायं च क्रमपृथुलमनोने च जङ्के निषेवे.
So it's Janudvayam cha. Janudvayam cha krama prutula manogne cha jange nisheve. The last line.
Anam, shall I start from that?
Let's say from that,
yeah. Anam pranam purastad jnanatruda samattartapa.
Nyasana.
Okay, I have practiced badly lots of times. So, Anam pranam purastad jnanatruda samattartapali samutgachayam janutvayam cha kramapradula manogne cha janke nisheve.
Correct.
Thank you. Manjiram manjunadairiva padavaranam shreya ityalapantam padakram prantimajjat pranata janamano mandaro darakurmam uttunga ताम्रराजन् नगर हिमकर ज्योत्सना शाश्रितानां संतापत्वान्तहन्त्रीं ततिमनुकलये मङ्गलाम् अङ्गुलीनां.
The third line is Jyotsnaya. You have just that word. Yeah, you missed the ya in there.
उत्तुंगा ताम्रराजन् नगर हिमकर ज्योत्स्नया शाश्रितानां संतापत्वान्तहन्त्रीं ततिमनुकलये मङ्गलाम् अङ्गुलीनां. योगीन्द्राणां त्वदङ्गेष्वतिक सुमधुरं मुक्तिभाजां निवासो भक्तानां कामवर्ष दुतरु किसलयं नाद ते पादमूलं नित्यं स्थितं मे पवनपुरपदे कृष्णा कारुण्यसिन्धो हृत्वा निःशेषतापान् प्रदिशतु परमानन्दसन्तोषलक्ष्मीम्. अज्ञात्वा ते महत्त्वं यतिह निगदितं विश्वनाथक्षमेताः श्रोत्रं चैतत्सहस्रोत्रम् अधिकतरं त्वत्प्रसादाय भूयात्.
So one correction there, right? So it's stotram chaitat sahasrottaram. It's after the so there is a it and then there is a ta. So that just repeat that line if you can. Stotram.
Ajñātvā te mahatvam yatiha nikatitam vishvanathakshametāha shotram chaitat sahasrottaram adhikataram tvat prasadaya bhuyat. Tveda narayaniyam shrutishu Chajanusha Sutyada Varnanena Stitam Leelavataraihi Itimiha Gurutam Ayurarokya Saukyam.
Yep. Good.
Agre pashyami tejo nibidakaragadayavalilokhaniyam piyushaplavitoham तदनु तदुदरे दिव्यकैशोरवेशं तारुण्यारम्भरम्यं परमसुखरसास्वादरोमाञ्चिताङ्गैः आवीतं नारदादैः विलसदुपनिषत्सुन्दरी मण्डलैः च नीलाभं कुञ्चिताग्रं घनममलतरं संयतं चारुकन्या रत्नोत्तं साभिरामं वलयितमुदयचन्द्रकैपिञ्जजालैः मन्दारशन्निवीतं तव मृदुकदलीभारमालोकयेऽहं स्निग्धश्वेतोत्थपुञ्जामपि च सुललितां फालबालीन्दुवीथीम् हृद्यं पूर्णानुकम्पार्णवमृदुलहरी चञ्चलभ्रूविलासैः आमीलस्निग्धपश्मावलिपरिलसितं नेत्रयुग्मं विभूते सान्द्रच्छायं विशालारुणकमलदलाकारमामुक्ततारं कारुण्यालोकलीला शिशिरिदभुवनं क्षिप्यतां मय्यनाथे उत्तुङ्गोल्लासिनासं हरिमणिमुकुरप्रोल्लसद्गण्डपाळी व्यालोदत्कर्णपाशाञ्चितमकरमणि कुण्डलद्वन्द्वदीप्रम् उन्मीलद्दण्डपङ्क्तिस्फुरतरुणतरच्छाय बिम्बाधरान्तप्रीतिप्रस्यन्ति मन्दस्मितमधुरतरं वक्त्रमुद्भासतां मे बाहुद्वन्द्वेन रत्नोज्ज्वलवलयभृता शोणपाणिप्रवाळेनोपातां वेणुनाळी प्रसुतनखमयूखाङ्गुली सङ्गशारां कृत्वा वक्त्रारविन्दे सुमसुरविकसद्राहमुत्थाव्यमानैः शब्दब्रह्मामृतैस्त्वं शिशिरितभुवनैः सिञ्चमी कर्णवीथी उत्सर्पत्कौस्तुभश्रीदधितिररुणितं कोमलं खण्डदेशं वक्षश्रीवत्सरम्यं तरलतरसमुद्दीप्रहारप्रदानम् नानावर्णप्रसूनावलिकिसलयिनीं वन्यमालां विलोलल्लोलम्बां लम्बमानामुरसितव तथा भावये रत्नमालाम् अङ्गे पञ्चाङ्गरागैः अतिशयविकसत्सौरभाकृष्टलोकं लीनानेकत्रिलोकी वितदमपि कृशां विकृतां मध्यवल्लीं शक्राश्मन्यस्ततप्तोज्ज्वलकनकनिभं पीतचेलं दधानं ध्यायामोदीप्तरश्मिस्फुटमणिरचना किङ्गिणीमण्डितं त्वाम् ऊरू चारु तवोरू घनमसृणरुषौ चित्तचोरौरमायाः विश्वक्षोभं विशङ्ख्य ध्रुवमनिशमुभौ पीतचेलावृताङ्गौ आनम्राणां पुरस्ताद न्यसनकृतसमस्तार्थपाणी समुद्गच्छायं जानुद्वयं च क्रमप्रथुलमनूत्ये च जङ्घे निषेवे मञ्जीरं मञ्जुनादैरिव पदभजनं श्रेययित्यालपन्दं पादाग्रं भ्रान्तिमज्जत्प्रणतजनमनो मन्दरोद्धारकूर्मम् उत्तुङ्गाताम्रराजन्नकरहिमकरज्योत्स्नया चाश्रितानां सन्दापन्ध्वान्दहन्वी कविमनुकलये मङ्गलामङ्गुलीनाम् योगीन्द्राणां स्वतङ्केषु सुमधुरं मुक्तिभाजां निवासो भक्तानां कामवर्षद्युदरुकिफलयं नाथ ते पादमूलम् नित्यं चित्तस्थितं मे पवनपुरपदे कृष्णकारुण्यसिन्धो धृत्वा निशेषतापान् त्रिंशदु परमानन्दसन्दोहलक्ष्मी अज्ञात्वा ते महत्त्वं यदि हनिकथितं विश्वनाथक्षमेधाः स्तोत्रं चैतत्सहस्रोत्तरमधिकतरं त्वत्प्रसादाय भूयात् त्वेधा नारायणीयं श्रुतिश्रुतिजनुषा स्तुत्यदा वर्णनेन स्थितं लीलावतारैः इदमिह कुरुदामायुरारोग्यसौख्यम्.
Priya, the third line and the fourth line, there was no need to join. I think you joined the third and fourth line. I think that was
Vedanarayaniyam Shrutishujajanusha Stutyada Varnanen Tidam Leelaavataraihi Idamiha Puruda Mayurarogya Saukhyam. Okay.
Yeah, that's good. Very good. So we'll start with the Narayana Kavacham, right? So I sent you all the printouts, right? So I think the Narayana Kavacham, the text itself is pretty standard that you can download online in whatever language you want. The only reason I sent you all this is I made some kind of comments to how to do the nyasam, right? So nyasam is like you invoke the lords to various parts of your body before you chant the Kavacham. So I added that for the English and the Sanskrit portion, right? So if any of you are using Malayalam or Tamil, you can always use it, but just make sure you're making the corrections, right, on the nyasam portions as I'm kind of walking through it. So we'll start with the Shobha and then Suja. So in the Narayana Kavacham is just like the Narayaniyam Mari, but this Kavacham actually comes in the Bhagavatam, right? So so Shuka Brahman taught the Narayana Kavacham to Parikshit. This was originally taught by Indra sage to Indra. So this is directly a portion of the Bhagavatam, right? It's not written by Bhattatripada or anything. It's directly from the Bhagavatam. Okay. So the first first is Rajo Vacha. So we'll do kind of the two lines together here. So we'll first what I'll do is I'll try to break each line into half, right? When we are repeating it, so it's easy to chant it. Eventually, when you get fluent, you can say the whole line together. Some places the whole lines come together. So Yaya Gupta Sahasrakshaha, comma, Savahan Ripusainikan, Kridanniva Vinirjitya, comma, Trilokya Bubuje Shriyam. So the tune is Rajo Vacha Yaya Gupta Sahasrakshaha Savahan Ripusainikan Kridan Iva Vinirjitya Trilokya Bubuje Shriyam. Shobhan, you start and try and see that if you want more clarifications. Yeah.
Tune da. Rajo Vacha Yaya Gupta Sahasrakshaha Savahani Pusainikan.
Savahan Ripusainikan, because in the na kadile or line it goes. So it's Savahan Ripusainikan.
Savahan Ripusainikan Kridan Niv Vinirjitya Trilokya Bubuje Shriyam. Rajo Vacha Yaya Gupta Sahasrakshaha Savahan
Ripu.
Oh, okay. Oh, one second. Let me write that out here. Savahan Ripusanai Sanainikan Kridan Niv Virjitya Trilokya Bubuje Shriyam.
Rajo Uvacha Yaya Gupta Sahasraksha Savahan Ripusainikan Kridan Niva Vinirjitya Trilokya Bubuje Shriyam.
So the Sahasraksha.
Yes, tune.
So one second. Now the tune is okay. Don't worry about it. So Sahasraksha is a Visarga, right? So if you're starting it after that, you have to say that Visarga. If you're not saying it, you're saying it continuously, you put a is there, right? So since we are stopping after that half of it, so you say that Sahasrakshaha.
Okay.
So
Rajesh, Savahan Ripusainikan, Alaya?
Correct.
Okay. Sorry, Satya.
Yaya Gupta ha varda Gupta dana.
Yaya Gupta Sahasrakshaha. Gupta ha irukklanga.
Ama.
Yeah, and then Sahasrakshaha is there, right? So you can put a small is in between because you're saying it together, right?
Gupta
Yeah. Gupta Sahasrakshaha.
Okay. நீ ராஜோ உவாச்சக்கும் இங்க ஒரு பிரேக் கொடுக்கறலையா ராஜோ
வாச்ச he's saying it, right? So the Parikshit is saying
ராஜோ உவாச்ச. Okay. Yaya Gupta Sahasraksha Yaya Gupta Sahasraksha Savahan Ripusainikan Kridanniva Vinirjitya Trilokya
बुभुजे श्रियम्.
Yeah. So next line. Bhagavam stan mamakyahi, comma, varma narayanatmakam, yatha atathayina shatrun, comma, yena gupto jayan mride. So Bhagavam stan mamakyahi varma narayanatmakam yatha atatahina shatrun yena gupto jayan mride.
Bhagavan stan makhyahi varma narayanatmakam yatha atatayina shatrun yena gupto jayan mridhe. Bhagavastanma makhyahi varma narayanatmakam yatha atatayina shatrun yena gupto jayan mridhe.
பகவம் எனக்கு மறுபடியும் வரல.
Bhagavam tanmamakhyahi.
ஓகே. பகவம் தன்மமாக்யாஹி வர்மநாராயணாத்மகம் யதா அதத்யாயின சத்ருன ஏன குப்தோ ஜயம் மிருதே. பகவம் எனக்கு அந்த இடத்துல இங்க இங்க பகவம் சேர்ந்து இல்லையா? பகவம் ஸ்தன் மம க்யாஹி வர்மநாராயணாத்மகம் யதா அதத்யாயின சத்ருன ஏன குப்தோ ஜயன் மிருதே. இது வந்து அந்த டியூன்ல போயிடுறது நமக்கு. ஓகே
Tune you can know, yeah, don't worry about that.
ஓகே.
ராஜேஷ் ஒரே ஒரு தடவை இந்த full 4 lines சேர்ந்து சொல்ல முடியுமா? அது கொஞ்சம் அப்பதான் மனசுல கொஞ்சம் படும்.
ராஜோஹோ வாசா யயா குப்தः சஹஸ்ராக்ஷः சவாஹான் ரிபுசைனிகான் क्रीडन्निव विनिर्जित्य त्रिलोक्या बुभुजे श्रियम् भगवं स्तन्ममाख्याहि वर्मनारायणात्मकं यथा अतथाहिनः शत्रून् येन गुप्तो जयन्मृधे. नेक्स्ट श्री शुक उवाच वृतः पुरोहितस्त्वाष्ट्रो कॉमा सो पुरोहितस्त्वाष्ट्रो कॉमा महेन्द्रा यानु पृच्यते नारायणाख्यं वर्माः कॉमा तदि हैकमना शृणु. श्री शुक उवाच वृतः पुरोहितस्त्वाष्ट्रो महेन्द्रा यानु पृच्यते नारायणाख्यं वर्माः तदि हैकमना शृणु.
ராஜேஷ் ஃபர்ஸ்ட் லைன்ல என்னோட புக்ல புரோஹித் ஸ்வதா ஸ்ருதா ஹா போட்டிருக்கு, நாட் ஹோ.
In the book what book is that?
This is the Srimad Narayanam book.
அதுல விசர்கா தான் போட்டிருக்காங்க.
விசர்கா போட்டிருக்காங்க.
புரோஹிதஹான் போட்டிருக்கா?
புரோஹிதா.
I think that is
புரோஹித ஸ்வாஷ்ட்ரஹ. அந்த ட்ராக் அப்புறம் நீங்க ட்ரோன் எல்லாம் அங்க அஹன்
ஹோன். ஆமாம், த்ரோன் O becomes a ha.
I'll just check on that because நான் படிச்சதும் twastron தான் இருக்கு, ஆன்லைன்லயும் twastron தான் போட்டிருந்தது, but I'll check on that. Okay, இப்போதைக்கு just keep it as twastro. I'll double check on that.
Okay, thank you.
Shri Shuka uvacha vrita purohita swastro mahendrayanu pritchate. Oh, I think I'm going off tune.
That's okay.
Narayanakhyam varmaha तदिहैकमनाशृणु. श्री शुक उवाच वृत पुरोहित स्वाष्ट्रो महेन्द्रायानुपृच्छते नारायणाख्यं वर्माः तदिहैकमनाशृणु.
श्री शुक उवाच वृत पुरोहित स्वाष्ट्रो महेन्द्रायानुपृच्छते नारायणाख्यं वर्माः तदिहैकमना शृणुः तदिहैकमना शृणु அங்க ஹ சொல்லணுமா அந்த இது
மனா
शृणु ஓகே ओके श्रीशुक उवाच वृतः पुरोहितस्त्वाष्ट्रो महेन्द्रायानुपृच्छते नारायणाख्यं वर्माः तदिहैकमना शृणु तदिहैकमना शृणु.
So next
Rajesh, அந்த print out whatever அந்த சான்ஸ்கிரிட்ல எங்கெல்லாமோ விசர்கா இருக்கு உங்க ஹ ஹ ஹ அந்த இடத்துல. So anyway, I mean I have both English and Sanskrit.
நான் சான்ஸ்கிரிட் தான் யூஸ் பண்றேன். So ததிஹைகமனாக்கு அப்புறம் ஒரு விசர்கா இருக்கு.
மனாஹா இருக்கு right அங்க.
But when you saying it with shunu it becomes like manah shunu.
Oh acha the ha soft.
You don't have to say manaha shunu kadiyadu. Only when it's ending with, normally when it's ending with ksha in the Lalita Sahasranam, Vishnu Sahasranam, you see certain places we say that, right? Because it's ending with ksha or ksha and starting, and the specific places only you say that actually. Otherwise it just merges. So the next set of things, right? So now in the printout I kind of colored it in yellow. So the Vishwarupa Vacha linde Vikaram Anu Murdani varikim, right? So it was generally before you chant all this kavacham, right? So it's a nyasam, right? It's actually giving you a set of instructions you have to do. So other chant when you use kadiyadu, you have to actually do those instructions, right? So the way you do it is, right? And like anything, right? It says very clearly is wash your feet and hands. So these are all the instructions that are given in that thing, right? So wash your feet and hands, sit on a seat, right? Pai or some asanam, face north, and then you close your eyes. And we don't have to do this today, but I'm going to teach you these things. So when you do it later on, you have to follow these things, right? So close your eyes and chant Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya 11 times. Some places say do it 12 times, so it doesn't matter, 11 or 12, whatever number you want to do. And then when you're doing it, kind of imagine yourself getting protected with a shield, right? Whether you're doing it for yourself or you're doing it for any other person in your family or friends, imagine yourself getting covered with a shield, right? So chant Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Once you do that, then what you do is you got to now focus on each part of your body, right? So first, so this essentially is saying, think of Om Namo Narayanaya, right? So the Ashtakshara. So in that, you first start with Om, focus on your feet. So close your eyes, focus on your feet, and keep thinking about the sound Om or the letter Om, right? So keep saying Om, and then just in your mind, right? And then focus on your feet. Then you come up, then you come to your knees. When you come to your knees, the letter is Na. Then you go up to your thighs. When you go up to your thighs, it is Mo. Then you come to your belly, Na. Then come to your heart, Ra. Chest, Ya. Face, Na. Head, Ya. Right? So do this like 30 seconds or 20 seconds, right? Whatever amount of time, but each part of your body thinking about this letter in your mind. And when you complete that, then you just focus on saying Om Namo Narayanaya. Just kind of close that out, right? Think of your full body and close that out as Om Namo Narayanaya. That is that first nyasam. So any questions on this?
Rajesh, I'm confused as to when we have to say this.
Yeah.
When to do this.
So this typically in the Mari, all of these things in the it's generally they say early in the morning, right? So during sunrise and the Mari time they say you have to chant this, right? Like most of the things, something. But at the end of the day, these are prescriptions, right? You can chant any time of the day; it's still good. But the right way.
Nyasam kekra.
Nyasam. That is a good point also of what you're saying. The time of the day. But நான் the nyasam இந்த கவச்சம் ஆரம்பிக்கிறதுக்கு முன்னாடி இல்லையா?
இந்த போர்ஷன்ல தான். So நீங்க first இந்த ராஜோ வாச்சா சொல்லி மூணு paragraph சொல்றீங்க இல்லையா? So that is referring to that Parikshit is asking, oh Shukabrahmam, which is the one which I can chant, which is going to help me and protect me and all this. So then that Sri Shukar says, I'm going to teach you something which has been taught by Indra's sage to him. So here are the instructions of how you should do it. That is the first 3 paragraphs. And then the Shukabrahman is teaching Parikshit the instructions, which are the next set of paragraphs.
Okay.
So he's saying, you got to wash your feet, you got to wash your hands, you got to sit in your seat, you got to sit facing north. right? And then meditate upon this nyasam. So Shukra Brahman is teaching these instructions.
Okay.
That's why I highlighted those things in yours. So you still say the first 3 paragraphs, and then you follow this nyasam.
Okay.
So all slogans, initially there will be a small discussions as a prelude for the slogam, followed by the nyasam, followed by a small dhyanam, and then goes into the Sahasranama portion.
Exactly.
If you read Vishnu Sahasranamam also, you will see that.
Right.
Exactly.
Adhyastri Divya Vishnu Sahasranama Mandrasya, அப்போ சொல்லணும் ஆக்சுவலா நம்ம பண்றது இல்ல, அதுலயும் இருக்கு இதே மாதிரி ஞாசம் இருக்கு. லலிதா சஹஸ்ரநாமம்லயும் இருக்கு. பிகினிங்ல ஒரு ஸ்மால் டிஸ்கஷன், அப்புறம் அவளுக்கு வந்து இந்த மந்திரத்தை சொல்ல போறோம், அதனால இந்த ஞாசம் பண்ணுங்க, தென் டு த தியானம், தியான ஸ்லோகம் முடிஞ்ச உடனே இந்த சஹஸ்ரநாம போர்ஷன் ஸ்டார்ட்ஸ்.
Exactly. So they must the same thing here. It follows those protocols, right? It follows the same sequence. So you first question part is done. Now you're doing the nyasam. So nyasam, there are a couple of types. So the first type is what we just went through, right? So any questions so far on this? Okay. So the next nyasam you do is karan nyasam, which is you kind of do it for your hands, right? So adum pathina instructions vande it again concludes with Om Namo Narayanaya, right? That's the ultimate, that's the final thing. But if you break it into parts, so focus on both your thumbs, Om, then focus on your index fingers, Na, Mo, right? Na, Ra, then Ya is the inside of the palms, Na is the outside of the palms, and then you hold the Namaskara Mudra and say Ya, and then kind of think of the whole thing, Om Namo Narayanaya. Right? So you don't, again, this will go pretty fast, right? If you kind of know, you just kind of keep moving your fingers if you want to keep it easy for you, or you can just focus on those fingers, right? But essentially it's karanyasam because you do things with your hand, and so you kind of are invoking the god into your hand. So those are the 2 nyasams which you have to do, which are the one which we've highlighted in the document. Okay, any questions? Okay. If there are any questions, then again pause me, right? So the next set of nyasams is Om Vishnave Namaha, right? Om Vishnave Namaha is the final thing you're trying to get to. Again, you break that Om Vishnave Namaha into different letters of Om Vishnave Namaha, right? So you kind of break it into all of those things. And here you touch your parts of your body, because in the previous one, a Karanyasam, you kind of got the God into your hands, right? So now with that, you touch the various parts of your body. So when you're saying Om, you touch your heart. When you're saying V, you touch your head. Sh is the middle of your eyebrows. Then Na is touch the top of your head, right, on the hair. And then Ve is touch both your eyes. So, right, touch both your eyes. And then the Na is you touch all your joints. So what are your joints? Your shoulder joints, your elbows, your wrist joints, your hip joints, your knees, and then finally kala ankles, right? So the onnoni cholli that na, 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 right? For every time you're touching those 2 joints with both your hands, utter the word na. Okay, and then kind of think of, then close your eyes and kind of think of your full body, right? That's ma. That ma is kind of consolidates it for your full body. And then what you do is, they have said 6 directions. Some people may say you'll do 8 directions. So whatever you want to do, right? But generally it is, you're saying, protect me from all sides, right? But the shield is protected on all sides, right? So ma astraya fat, that's the word you say, ma astraya fat. So when you're doing that, you kind of look north, east, west, south, up, down, right? And then or the individual, northeast, southeast. So the Muslims, when you see them doing the prayers, they kind of do, right? They kind of do this, right? So you kind of do up, do down. So essentially you're invoking all of those things, right? You kind of protect from all those directions. Okay. So Adda and then you say Om Vishnave Namayiti. So you kind of wrap it up, close your eyes and say Om Vishnave Namayiti. That wraps it up. Okay, so these are all the nyasam. So you kind of have to do these things. You don't have to explicitly chant the highlighted portions, right? But you have to do these nyasams before you go to the next portion. Okay, any questions so far?
Can you send me the video if you don't mind? YouTube video.
Yeah. I'll send the YouTube video.
Thank you.
No problem. Yeah.
Thank you.
Okay. So, and then if you kind of go to the next page, it says Om Vishnave Namaiti, right? So you kind of have to say Om Vishnave Namaiti. Just think of Om Vishnave Namaiti, right? Think of that. So this completes the Nyasam portion, right? So the next two paragraphs are the Dhyanam portion, right? So in this Dhyanam portion is you're kind of meditating or contemplating on your own Atma, right? So that we'll chant it, because really what you're doing is you're just closing your eyes and then you're praying before, and then 13th, where it says Jaleshu Mam Rakshadu Matsya Murtihi. That's where the actual Kavacham starts. Because that's where you start saying, protect from water, Matsya Murti, you come and protect me from all water related things, right? So other than that, the actual Kavacham starts from 13. Okay, everything before that is the Nyasam and the Dhyanam and everything. All right, so we'll start with 11. So, Atmanam Paramam Dhyayet, comma, Dhyayam Shat Shakti Bhiryutam. Dhyayam Shat Shakti Bhiryutam. Vidya Tejas Tapo Murtim Imam Mantram Udaharet. Okay. So Atmanam Paramham Dhyayet Dhyayam Shat Shakti Bhiryutam Vidya Tejas Tapo Murtim Imam Mantram Udaharet.
Atmanam Paramam Dhyayet Dhyayam.
Shobachak.
Atmanam Paramam Dhyayet Dhyayam Shat Shakti Bhiryutam Vidya Tejas Tapo Murtim Imam Mantram Udaharet. Third emphasis pannama, the end.
And it is just in this Mantram Udaharet.
Okay, Mudaharet. Atmanam Paramam Dhyayet Dhyayam Shat Shakti Bhiryutam Vidya Tejas Tapo Murtim Imam Mantram Udaharet.
Atmanam Paramam Dhyayet Dhyayam Shat Shakti Bhiryutam Vidya Tejas Tapo Murtim Imam Mantram Udaharet. Atmanam Paramam Dhyayet Yeyam Shat Shakti Bhiryutam.
And the rendu da irukla, so it's Atmanam Paramam Dhyayet Dhyayam Shat.
Oh, okay. Atmanam Paramam Dhyayet Dhyayam Shat Shakti Bhiryutam Vidya Tejas Tapo Murtim Imam Mantram Udaharet.
Next line.
ஒரே ஒரு நிமிஷம் ராஜேஷ், நீ கொடுத்த இந்த பிரிண்ட் அவுட்ல இன்னும் விஸ்வரூப உவாச்ச அது வேறயா? In between the first மூணு ஸ்லோகம் வந்தது.
That's all the shaded portion, right? That's what we said. That's all the nyasam. So you don't have to.
Oh, அது எல்லாமே அந்த nyasam-ஓட சேர்ந்தது. Okay.
So next step. Om Harir Vidadhyan Mama Sarva Raksham, comma. Harir Vidadhyan Mama Sarva Raksham, comma. Nyastangri Padma Padagendra Prishte Darari. Next line on the second line you have to say it together. Okay, so you can put a plus there if you want. Darari Charmasi Gadeshu Chapa Pasha Dadhanoshta Gunoshta Bahuhu. You can break it. Pashan Dadhanoshta Gunoshta Bahuhu. Om Harir Vidadhyan Mama Sarva Raksham Nyastangri Padma Padahendra Prishte Darari Charmasi Gadeshu Chapa Pashan Dadhanoshta Gunoshta Bahuhu.
Om Harir Vidhatyan Mama Sarvaraksham Nyastangri Padma Patagendra Prishte Jarari Charmasi Gadeshu Chapa Pashan Dadhanoshta Gunoshta Bahuhu. Om Harir Vidhyan Mama Sarvaraksham.
Harir Vidadhyan.
ॐ हरिर्विदध्यान् मम सर्वरक्षां न्यस्ताङ्घ्रिपद्मपतगेन्द्रपृष्ठे दराचिचर्मासि गदे शुचाप पाशान् दधानोष्ट गुणोष्टबाहुः।
ॐ हरिर्विदध्यान् मम सर्वरक्षां न्यस्ताङ्घ्रिपद्मपदगेन्द्रपृष्ठे दरारिचर्मा सिगदेषु चापपाशान् ददानो पाशान् ददानोष्ट गुणोश्रुबाहुः। ॐ हरिर्विद्यान् मम सर्वरक्षां न्यस्ताङ्घ्रि पद्मपदकेन्द्रपृष्ठे दरारिचर्मा सिगदेषु चापपाशान् तदानोष्ट पाशान् गुणोष्ट
बाहुः.
ஓகே அல்ல நீ இதோட சேர்த்து சொல்லணும்னு சொன்ன இல்லையா? ததாரிச்சர்மா சிகதேஷு சாப பாஷான் ததானோஷ் ஸ்ருகுணோ ஸ்ருபாஹுஹு.
I think you're saying it as shrew. It's not shrew. It is the ish and the ta.
இஷ்ரன் எதுல சொல்ற?
பாஷான் ததானோஷ்
पाशान् तदानोष् पाशान् तदानोष् गुणो श्रुबाहुः.
No, I think you're saying it wrong. I'll separate a message one, right? It's not, there's no shrew there.
Okay.
Pashan dada noshta gunoshta bahuhu.
Noshta gunoshta. Okay.
So next step. So jaleshu mam. From here is where the kavacham thing starts, right? So jaleshu mam rakshatu matsya murtihi. If you are saying, because you're passing at the middle of every line, right? So on the yak male or ir irundana, you can remove that ir off and put a visarga at the murtihi. So you say jaleshu mam rakshatu matsya murtihi, comma, and then remove the ir on the top of ya. Yado ghanebhyo varunasya phashat staleshu maya vatu vamano vyat trivikrama kevatu vishwarupaha. Jaleshu mam rakshatu matsya murtihi yado ghanebhyo varunasya phashat staleshu maya vatu vamano vyat trivikrama kevatu vishwarupaha.
जलेषु मां रक्षतु मत्स्यमूर्तिः यादो गणेभ्यो वरुणस्य पाशात् स्थलेषु मायावटु वामनोऽव्यात् त्रिविक्रमखेवतु विश्वरूपः. जलेषु मां रक्षतु मत्स्यमूर्तिः यादो गणेभ्यो वरुणस्य पाशात् स्थलेषु मायावटु वामनोऽव्यात् त्रिविक्रमखेवतु विश्वरूपः.
जलेषु मां रक्षतु मत्स्यमूर्तिर् यादो गणेश.
Murti, you have to make it murtihi and then pause.
Okay. जलेषु मां रक्षतु मत्स्यमूर्तिः लेया. Okay. जलेषु मां रक्षतु मत्स्यमूर्तिः यादो गणेभ्यो वरुणस्य पाशात् स्थलेषु माया वटु वामनो नो व्यात् केवतु विश्वरूपः जलेषु मां रक्षतु मत्स्यमूर्तिः यातो गणेभ्यो वरुणस्य पाशात् स्थलेषु मायावटु वामनो व्यात् त्रिविक्रम केवतु विश्वरूपः
दुर्गेश्वट व्याजी मुखादिषु प्रभुः दुर्गेश्वट व्याजी मुखादिषु प्रभुः कॉमा पायान नृसिंहो नृसिंहो पायान नृसिंहो पायान निसिंहोसुर so anga actually asura mari adu kuttiya irukku but you are saying it together so payan nrisimhosura yutaparihi vimunchato yasya mahattahasam comma disho vinedhur nyapathamscha garbaha दुर्गेश्वटव्याजी मुखादिषु प्रभुः पायान् नृसिंहोऽसुरयूथपारिः विमुञ्चतो यस्य महाट्टहासं दिशो विनेधुर्न्यपथंश्च गर्भाः
दुर्गेश्वट व्याजी मुखादिषु प्रभुः पायान् नृसिंहोऽसुरयूथपारिः विमुच्यतो यस्य महाट्टहासं दिशो विनेदुर्यपतंश्च गर्भाः
in irukku இல்லையா so disho vinedur nyapathamscha garbaha
disho vinedur
kutti
nyapatanscha okay vinedur nyapatanscha garbaha
yeah
durgeshvat व्याजी मुखादिषु प्रभुः पायान् नृसिंहोऽसुरयूथपारिः विमुच्यतो यस्य महाट्टहासं दिशो विनेदुर्न्यपतंश्च गर्भाः
दुर्गेश्वट व्याजिमुखादिषु प्रभुः पायान् नृसिंहोऽसुरयूथपारिः विमुच्यतो यस्य महाट्टहासं दिशो विनेदुर् यपदंश्च गर्भाः ओके दिशो विनेदुर् नृपदश्च गर्भाः
दिशो विनेदुर्
ओके
न्यपथंश्च गर्भाः इन्नंड या न्यपथंश्च गर्भाः
न्यपदंश्च गर्भाः दिशो विनेदुर् न्यपदंश्च गर्भाः ओके दुर्गेश्वट व्याजिमुखादिषु प्रभुः पाया नृसिंहोऽसुरयूथपारिः विमुच्यतो यस्य महा इदेन्नु எனக்கு அந்த வேர்ட் இங்க சரியா
இல்ல ரெண்டு டா இருக்கு மஹாட்டஹாசம்
ஓகே ஓகே மஹாட்டஹாசம் दिशो विनेदुर् अयो बरले न्यपदंश्च गर्भाः இங்க பிரிச்சு எழுதிக்கணும்னு நினைக்கிறேன் இல்லனா அந்த சான்ஸ்கிரிட் புரிய மாட்டேங்குது வருது ஓகே
when I'm breaking it just put a line in your book right every time when I'm saying it small words you have to put a line there that's when you know where to that's why I'm saying it like part by part right
and mari part okay got it
next rakshatvasau madhvani yajna kalpaha comma swadamshtra yoni adaro varaha So swadamshta yoni hadaro varaha ramodri kuteshvata vipravase, comma, ramodri kuteshvata vipravase, comma, sa lakshmano vyat bharatagra josman, sa lakshmano vyat bharatagra josman. रक्षत्वसौ माध्वनि यज्ञकल्पः स्वधंष्ट्रयोनि तदरो वराहः रामोद्रिकूटेष्वत विप्रवासे स लक्ष्मणोऽभ्यात् भरताग्रजोऽस्मान्.
रक्षत्वसौ माध्वनि यज्ञकल्पः स्वदंश्रयोनि तदरो वराहः रामोद्रिकूटेष्वत विप्रवासे स लक्ष्मणो व्यात् भरताग्रजोऽस्मान्. रक्षत्वसौ माध्वनि यज्ञकल्पः स्वदंष्ट्रयोनि तदरो वराहः रामोद्रिकूटेष्वत विप्रवासे स लक्ष्मणो व्यात् भरताग्रजोऽस्मान्.
रक्षत्वसौ माध्वनि यज्ञकल्पः ஸ்வதம்ஷ்ட்ர எனக்கு அந்த வேர்ட்ஸ் இதுல பிரிண்ட் அவுட்ல மேபி நான் யூஸ்ட் ஓகே ஸ்வதம்ஷ்ட்ரயோ யோனி ததரோ வராஹः ராமோத்ரி கூட்டேஷ்வத விப்ரவாசே सलक्ष्मणो व्या भरताग्रजोऽस्मान्. रक्षत्वसो माध्वनि यज्ञकल्पः स्वदंष्ट्रयोनि तदरो वराहः रामोद्रिकूटेष्वत विप्रवासे सलक्ष्मणो या भरताग्रजोऽस्मान्.
Yeah, correct.
Okay.
Next, mam ugradharmat akilat pramadat, because we're breaking it, right? So in Sanskrit you'll see like a kuti in and then a na. So if we are stopping it, we'll say mam ugradharmat akilat pramadat it, and then put a comma there. Narayana patu narascha hasat dattas tva yogadata yoganataha, comma, phayat gunesha kapila karma bandhat. So mamugra dharmat akilat pramadhat narayana padu narascha hasat dattastva yoga data yoganataha payad gunesha kapila karma bandhat.
मामुग्र धर्म अखिलात् प्रमादात् नारायण पातु नरश्च हासात् दत्तस्वयोगाधत योगनाथः पायात् गुणेश कपिलः कर्म बन्धात्. मामुग्र धर्मात् अखिलात् प्रमादात् नारायण पातु नरश्च हासात् दत्तस्वयोगाधत योगनाथः पायात् गुणेश कपिलः कर्म बन्धात्.
माम् उग्र धर्मात् अखिलात् प्रमादात् नारायण प्रातु नरश्च हासात् तद्दस्त्व योगातत योगनाथः पायात् गुणेश कपिलः कर्म बन्धात्. माम् उग्र धर्मात् अखिलात् प्रमादात् नारायण प्रातु नरश्च हासात् तद्दस्त्व योगातत योगनाथः पायात् गुणेश कपिल कर्म बन्धात्.
So Jan, the first line is patu. Patru, pratu, no, patu.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Narayanah patu narascha hasat. Okay.
next
ராஜேஷ் அந்த செகண்ட் லைன் இந்த நாராயணனுக்கு அப்புறம் விசர்க சோ உங்க எஃப் சவுண்ட் சொல்லணுமா?
எஃப் ஆமா. நாராயண பாத்து நரஸ்சஹ சார்.
ஓகே தேங்க் யூ.
நெக்ஸ்ட் சனத் குமாரோ வது காம தேவாத். So then when the Sanskrit pathana, it will be like a the and a two the's or something underneath, right? So you say it as Sanat Kumaro Vatu Kama Devat, comma Haya Shirshamam Pati Deva Herana. So make it like a ha. So the and a ha. Okay, so those are the Sandhi rules, so let's not worry about it. So Sanat Kumaro Vatu Kama Devat Haya Shirshamam Pati Deva Helanath देवर्षि वर्य पुरुषार्च नांतराथ, कॉमा देवर्षि वर्य पुरुषार्च नांतराथ, कॉमा कूर्मो हरिर्माम निरयाद शेषात्. सनत कुमारो वतु कामधेवात् हयशीर्षामां पतिदेव हेलनात् देवर्षि वर्य पुरुषार्चनांतरात् कूर्मो हरिर्मां निरयाद शेषात्.
सनत कुमारो वतु कामदेवात् हयशीर्षामां पतिदेव हेलनात् देवर्षिवर्य पुरुषार्चनान्तरात् कूर्मो हरिर्मां निरयाद शेषात्. सनत कुमारो वतु कामदेवात् हयशीर्षामां पतिदेव हेलनात् देवर्षिवर्य पुरुषार्चनान्तरात् कूर्मो हरिर्मां निरयाद शेषात्.
Shobha, andha neenga vandha that chittukku vandu if you want to kind of put that extra emphasis just to get the flow, right?
शेषात् mari
ayashirsham pati deva helanat, just for the flow.
Oh, okay.
It's actually only but the emphasis okay.
सनत कुमारो वतु कामदेवात् हयशीर्षामां पतिदेव हेलनात् देवर्षिवर्य पुरुषार्चनान्तरात् कूर्मो हरिर्मां निरयाद शेषात्. सनत कुमारो वतु कामदेवात् हयशीर्षामां पतिदेव हेलनात् देवर्षिवर्य पुरुषार्चनान्तरात् कूर्मो हरिर्मां निरयाद शेषात्.
So Dhanvantarir Bhagavan Patva Patyat. So the Patyat, so the next letter into Dala are clear. So you make it as Dhanvantarir Bhagavan Patva Patyat, comma Dwandvad. Next one you remove one of the da out, right? So Dwandvad Bhaya, so make it into these words. Dwandvad Bhaya Drishabho Nirjitatma. Okay, so Dhanvantarir Bhagavan Patvapatyat, comma Dwandvad Bhaya Drishabho Nirjitatma. 4 words. Yajñascha Lokad Avatan Jananthad. Again, and the Janan, the and Berg next word like you break it into 2 and put a comma. So Yajñascha Lokat Avatan Jananthad, comma Baloganat. So make it ba. The next one starts with the ba. Baloganat Krodha Vashada Hindraha. Baloganat Krodha Vashada Hindraha.
Rajesh, third line enna sonna
Yajñascha Lokad Avatan Jananthat. So
Tan im illiyanga.
இல்ல அந்த
Avatat Janan.
அந்த இது jerk மேல அந்த குட்டி அந்த இது இருக்கு என்ன சொல்லுவா how do you, the small in right that and the C underline எந்த இதுல
It's not here. It's என்னோட bookல
It's
இல்ல.
not here. That's why I was confused.
Does it say it there?
No.
So it says Loka Vata
Janat. Ma'am, it just says Loka Davata Janatad.
Janantat.
And the dot illai.
The dot illai and the இந்த இருக்குல I don't know what the in the na
இல்ல அதுவும் இல்லை.
Raji, is that called as in or the C மாதிரி இருக்குது in அது?
ஆமா அந்த C with the line right or the reverse C. நான் மார்க் பண்ணி வச்சிருக்கேன். I'll find that out as to what it is. Okay, because என்னோட பழைய bookலயும் I had a small just Narayana Kavacham book that also had that. So இப்ப I have it as Yajñascha Lokad Avatanjananthat Baloganat Krodha Vashada Hindraka. So I made a mark, Uma and Jayashree, I'll follow up on that. Okay. So looks like you both are having the same book. Yeah. Okay. So Dhanvantarir Bhagavan Patvapatyat Dvandvad Bhayadrishabho Nirjitatma Yajñascha Lokat Avatanjananthat Bhaloghanat Krodha Vashada Hindraha.
धन्वंतिरिर भगवान पात्रपथ्यात द्वंद्वात् भयादृशभो निर्जितात्मा यज्ञश्च लोकात् अवताञ्जनान्तान्त बलोगनात् क्रोधवशादहीन्द्रः धन्वन्तरिर भगवान पात्रपथ्यात द्वंद्वात् भयादृशभो निर्जितात्मा यज्ञश्च लोकात् अवताञ्जनान्तान्त बलोगनात् क्रोधवशादहीन्द्रः
धन्वन्तरिर् भगवान् पाद्वपद्यात् द्वन्द्वा
Drishabho. Right, so Dvandvad.
இல்ல இந்த ஃபாண்ட்ல இந்த டா எல்லாம் ஏதோ மாதிரி போட்டிருக்கானா அது எனக்கு புரிய மாட்டேன் அதனாலதான் द्वन्द्वा भया दृशभो निर्जितात्मा यज्ञश्च लोकाद् अवदाञ्चनान्तात् बलो गणात् क्रोध वशादहीन्द्रः धन्वन्तरि भगवान् पाद्वपद्यात् द्वन्द्वा भयादृशभो निर्जितात्मा यज्ञश्च लोकाद् यज्ञश्च लोकाद् जनान्तात् बलो गणात् क्रोध वशादहीन्द्रः.
So next line, the line you have to say it continuously. So there's no break or comma. So you can put a plus there if you want. Dvaipayano Bhagavan Aprabodhat. Say it's together. So Dvaipayano Bhagavan Aprabodhat Buddhastu Bhakanda Ghana Pramadat. So on the Sanskrit sometimes on the Idhan Buddhastu chain the put in the printout la. So you can send the Bodhad, you kind of put the plus and then make a brief pause if you want that Bhagavan Aprabodhat, then say Buddhastu Bhakanda Ghana Pramadat. Okay, but it is continuous, okay? Kalki Kale Kala Malat Prapathu, comma Dharma Vanayoru Kritavataraha. So Dvaipahino Bhagavan Aprabodhat Buddhastu Pakanda Ghana Pramadhat Kalki Kale Kala Malat Prapathu Dharma Vanayoru Kritavataraha.
द्वैपायनो भगवान् अप्रबोधात् बुद्धस्तु पाखण्डगणप्रमादात् कल्किकले कालमलात् प्रपातु धर्मावनायोरुकृतावतारः द्वैपायनो भगवान् अप्रबोधात् बुद्धस्तु पाखण्डगणप्रमादात् कल्किकले कालमलात् प्रपातु धर्मावनायोरुकृतावतारः
द्वैपायनो भगवान् अप्रबोधात् बुद्धस्तु पाखण्डगणप्रमादात् कल्किकले कालमलात् प्रभातु धर्मावनायोरुकृतावतारः द्वैपायनो भगवान् अप्रबोधात् बुद्धस्तु पाखण्डगणप्रमादात् कल्किकले कालमलात् प्रभातु धर्मावनायोरुकृतावतारः
मां केशवो गदया प्रातरभ्यात्. So the and ga irukum adila some books in Sanskrit, so you break it and say mam keshavo gadaya pratarabhyat comma, and then it becomes govinda asanga vamatha venuhu. So put a comma there, pratarabhyat comma govinda asanga vamatha venuhu narayana prahna ha and then a na underneath it, right? So narayana prahna udatta shaktihi comma a merk male or ir remove that ir off and make udatta shaktihi madhyandine vishnur arindra phanihi madhyandine vishnur arindra phanihi. So mam keshavo gadaya pratarabhyat govinda asanga vamata venuho narayana prahna udatta shaktihi madhyandine vishnur arindra phanihi.
Sorry, I was writing. Mam keshavo gadaya pratharavyat govinda asanga vamata venuhu narayana prahna udata shaktihi madhyandine vishnur arindrapanihi. Mam keshavo gadaya pratharavyat govinda asanga vamata venuhu narayana prahna udata shaktihi madhyandine vishnur arindrapanihi.
Mam keshavo gadaya प्रातरव्यात् गोविन्द आसङ्क ममात्तवेणुः नारायण प्राह्न उदात् शक्तिः मध्यन्तिने विष्णुर्वीन्द्र
Vishnur, if you want to break it, Vishnur Arindra Panihi.
Okay. Vishnur Arindra Panihi Mam Keshavo Gataya Prataravyat Govinda Asanka Vamatta Venuhu Narayana Prahna Udatta Shaktihi Madhyantine Vishnur Arindrapanihi.
Yeah. Devo Paranhe ha adil or na irukku. So Devo Paranhe Madhuhogra Dhanva comma Sayam Tridhamavatu Madhavomam Doshe Rishikesha Udharta Ratre comma Nishita Ekovatu Padmanabha. Devo Paranhe Madhuhogra Dhanva सायं त्रिधामावतु माधवो मां दोषे हृषीकेश उदार्तरात्रे निशीत एकोऽवतु पद्मनाभः
देवो परान्हे मधुहोग्रधन्वा सायं त्रिधामावतु माधवो मां दोषे हृषिकेश उतार्धरात्रे निशीश एकोऽवतु पद्मनाभः निशीथ एकोऽवतु पद्मनाभः देवो परान्हे मधुहोग्रधन्वा सायं त्रिधामावतु माधवो मां देशो हृषिकेश उदार्धरात्रे निशीथ एकोऽवतु पद्मनाभः
Doshe, I think just
Is it
Doshe Hृषिकेश.
Is it parahne or paranhe?
Paranhe. It's the line is on H. Aha, sorry.
Oh.
Okay.
Devo paranhe.
Ninga doshe tappa chone. I think it was just a mistake in the second line.
Enna sonnena doshe.
Deshe no chonna mari irundhudu.
Oh, அப்படியா? Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
देवो परान्हे मधुहोग्रधन्वा सायं त्रिधामावतु माधवो मां दोषे हृषिकेश उदार्तरात्रे निशीत एकोऽवतु पद्मनाभः देवो परान्हे मधुहोग्रधन्वा सायं त्रिधामावतु माधवो मां दोषे हृषिकेश उदार्तरात्रे निशीत एकोऽवतु पद्मनाभः
श्रीवत्स धामा पररात्र ईशः श्रीवत्स धामा पररात्र ईशः कमा प्रत्युष ईशोसिधरो जनार्दनः दामोदरो व्यात् अनुसन्ध्यं प्रभाते. If you want to really break it, right? दामोदरो व्यात् अनुसन्ध्यं संध्यं प्रभाते, कॉमा विश्वेश्वरो भगवान् कालमूर्तिः. श्रीवत्सधामा पररात्र ईशः प्रत्युष ईशोसिधरो जनार्दनः दामोदरो व्यादनुसन्ध्यं प्रभाते विश्वेश्वरो भगवान् कालमूर्तिः.
श्रीवत्सधामा पररात्र ईशः प्रत्युष ईशोसिधरो जनार्दनः दामोदरो व्याद् अनुसन्ध्यं प्रभाते विश्वेश्वरो भगवान् कालमूर्तिः. श्रीवत्सधामा पररात्र ईशः प्रत्युष ईशोसिधरो जनार्दनः दामोदरो व्याद् अनुसन्ध्यं प्रभाते विश्वेश्वरो भगवान् कालमूर्तिः.
Shobhan, the second time Shobhan, you said pratyush, it's pratyusha. Yusha.
Oh, sure.
Yeah.
Okay, sure. Full sha mean.
Yeah.
Okay.
श्रीवत्सधामा पररात्र ईशः प्रत्युष ईशो सिदरो जनार्दनः दामोदरो व्याद अनुसन्ध्यं प्रभाते ट्यूनु வரல இது வரல ஒரு நிமிஷம் दामोदरो அந்த ஒரு வேர்ட் சொல்லு
दामोदरो व्यात्
अनुसन्ध्यम okay got it दामोदरो व्याद अनुसन्ध्यम प्रभाते विश्वेश्वरो भगवान् काममूर्तिः. श्रीवत्सधामा पररात्र ईशः प्रत्युष ईशो सिदरो जनार्दनः दामोदरो व्याद अनुसन्ध्यं प्रभाते विश्वेश्वरो भगवान् कालमूर्तिः.
We just do one more.
Rajesh, one more. The second sentence la, is it pratyusha or pratyusha?
Pratyusha.
It's small u Oh.
உங்களோட long போட்டிருக்கா?
Okay, that's okay. I made it small.
Okay, I'll just follow up and see why that is the case, just so they can check.
All the printout and everything is saying Devo Parahni, the previous one.
Abhiya.
Yeah.
That's right. Anga kuda or ella stands konja vyathyasam irukku, but that's okay. We'll follow whatever you tell us.
Yeah, okay. Now I just made a note. I'll also go check against other source.
இந்த தமிழ் வெர்ஷன்ல கூட பராஹ்னே தான் இருக்கு.
பராஹ்னே ஆமா.
அதே மாதிரி பிரத்யூஷ தான் இருக்கு.
I don't know why
long u.
அதே மாதிரி அந்த previous 19ல கூட கணாத்னு இருந்தது. நீங்க கணத்னு சொன்னீங்க. அது எல்லாமே கொஞ்சம்
19th லியா?
19th second sentence புத்தஸ்து பாखंड கணாத் பிரமாதாத்னு போட்டுருக்கு.
ஆமா, கணாத் புக்ல கணாத் போட்டுருக்கீங்க.
இதுலயே கணாத் தான் இருக்கு.
Okay. அது நம்ம பால். I'll check the main Bhagavatam book. I'll get a screenshot of it and see what that says, right? And if it is whatever it says, we'll fix it accordingly. So there's 3, 4, 5 things that we did, right? I'll check on that. So where we left? எதுல விட்டோம்? 22 விட்டோமா?
22 முடிச்சோம்.
22.
Yeah.
Okay. So the last one, Chakram Yugantha Nalathik Manimi. Chakram Yugantha Nalathik Manimi, comma, Brahmat Samantad Bhagavat Prayuktam. So Brahmat Samantad Bhagavat Prayuktam. Okay. Dandagdi Dandagdyari. Okay, Dandagdi irukku first la. Dandagdi Dandagdyari Sainyamashu, comma, Kaksham Yatha Vatasuko Hutashaha. So
second line, sorry, second line one more time solungalem please.
Dandagdi irukku first word. Second la வந்து Dandagdyari. Dandagdyari. So the and putti girl you can maybe pause, like put a line or something. Dandagdyari Sainyamashu.
And kaksham yatha
Vata Sako Hutashaha.
sakho dane.
Sako Hutashaha.
Okay.
Chakram Yugantha Nalatik Manimi Brahmat Samantad Bhagavat Prayuktam Dandagdyari Sainyamashu Kaksham Yatha Vata Sako Hutashaha.
Chakram Yugantan Alatik Chakram Yugantan Alatik Manemi Brahmat Samantat Bhagavat Prayuktam Dandagdi
So one second word இருக்கு இல்லையா? So Dandagdi.
Yeah.
இது வந்து Dandag.
Oh, okay. Dandagdi Dhari Sainyamashu Kaksham Yatha Vatasako Hutashaha. Correct.
Correct.
Chakram Yugantan Anatik Manemi Brahmat Samantat Bhagavat Prayuktam Dandagdi Dhari Sainyamashu Kaksham Yatha Vatasukho Hutashaha.
So Rajesh, it is Chakram Yaganta Nalati or what is that?
Yeah, how do you say that second word on the first line?
I've learned it as Chakram Yugantha Nalatik Manemi ore idla. So I don't know if I'll have to check. I made a note. I don't know if you can break it as in and alatik. I don't know the meaning of those two words. So I don't know if you can sort of break it that way. So maybe just say it as one shot. Okay. Chakram Yugantha Nalatik Manemi.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay. Chakram Yuganta Nalatik Manemi Brahmat Samantad Bhagavat Prayuktam Dantatyari Sainyamashu Kaksham Yatavat Vata Sako Hutashaha. Chakram Yuganta
nal chakram yuganta nal tigma nemi brahmatsana brahmat samantad bhagavat prayuktam dantagyari sainymashu kaksham yatavat sakohutashah.
Right. So we'll
Rajesh, one question. First, second line la comma engame irukka? First line la comma irukku.
Dandagyari sainymashu comma.
Comma. Okay, thank you.
Okay. So we'll stop it here. So நம்ம வந்து next class I think we still have about 17, 19. I think maybe half the class I think we should be done with that. So நம்ம வந்து the next remaining of the next class we'll do the practice, right? So what we can do is first shot வந்து let's everybody kind of pick one chapter from the first half, the first 10 that we did, and then one from the next 10 that we did. Okay, and then we just that makes sense, right? So when everybody picks one from the first 10 and one from the next 10, and then we'll kind of start the revision from the second half of next class. We'll go in the sequence of what we learned, whose our turn that is.
நம்ம 11 people இருக்கோம்ல.
We'll just let's see ஏதாவது ஒரு overlap இந்த நாராயண கவச்சமும் கடைசில add ஆயிடும் இல்லையா? So அந்த 11% probably one of them can pick the narayana kavacham itself.
Sure.
Okay, so let's do that. So one of you pick the kavacham, and maybe if it's too big, then maybe two people can pick the kavacham, right? One says the first half, other says the second half. Then it will be equally distributed.
So next class kavacham finish pannittu then we practice, is it?
Yeah, we start the practice, right? So whatever chapters we can finish next week, we'll finish it. Whoever has the first 5 chapters or 6 chapters, whatever.
Okay.
सान्ध्रानन्दावबोधात्मकमनुपमितं कालदेशावदेभ्यां निर्मुक्तं नित्यमुक्तं निगमशतसहस्रेण निर्भास्यमानम् अस्पष्टं दृष्टमात्रे पुनरुरुपुरुषार्थात्मकं ब्रह्मतत्त्वं तत्तावद्भाति साक्षात् गुरुपवनपुरे हन्त भाग्यं जनानाम् कायेन वाचा मनसेन्द्रियैर्वा बुद्ध्यात्मना वा प्रकृते स्वभावात् करोमि यत् सकलं परस्मै नारायणायेति समर्पयामि.
Thanks, Rajesh.
All right, thank you.
Rajesh. Thank you.